4.0 grade point average and is enrolled in 2 advanced placement courses. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jacob Anderson Little.
That's my son. We know.
Good evening, and thank you all for being here tonight. My name is Jacob Anderson Little, and I am a sophomore. I'm one of the few students here who has transferred from the county as part of the St. Louis Public Schools Magnet program. It is a great privilege for me to attend Central Visual and Performing Arts High School. Being here has been one of the most interesting and engaging experiences of my life. At Central, we describe our school as the place where arts and academics share center stage. This means that not only are students expected to achieve highly academically, but we also declare an arts major. Each student must progress in his or her chosen art by improving as an artist and performing throughout their 4 years here. Tonight, you will see showcased the talents of singers, dancers, actors, instrumentalists, theater technicians, and visual artists, all supported and taught by an amazing faculty who not only teach us art, but science, math, and all the other academic disciplines. For several years, our auditorium, our stage, and our outdated theater equipment have hindered the full expression and display of the talents of Central students. The lack of appropriate resources has resulted in a limit of the frequency and the quality of our performances. Ultimately, the students' ability to progress in their art has been compromised. Despite these obstacles, the students continue to put forth steadfast effort towards becoming accomplished artists with soaring creativity. It was this commitment that caught my attention and inspired me to become part of this outstanding school. Fortunately, this commitment inspired the community as well. The community decided that this group of young artists, this school, is worth the investment. Well, this theater isn't just a favor or a public service. It's a special space where our community can come together to learn, to share, and to grow. On this stage, we can thrill to the sound of Dreamgirls, fall in love with Romeo and Juliet, travel together to Neverland and Oz. This new stage has the ability to make our city a better place and make our lives more joyful. As we cut the ribbon tonight, we are all invited to become a stronger community and to share center stage. Thank you and enjoy the show.
So before we cut the ribbon to